Hey, it's Luke. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're at the Glen Helen. This will be my first time riding here since I got back from Tennessee and since my arm injury, but it's feeling great as you can see, so I can't wait to go ride. The track looks awesome. I'm just getting geared up right now and I can't wait to go out and ride. Should be an awesome time, and yeah, I'm gonna be riding the Yamaha 85 today and I just can't wait to get out there. See you guys out there. Got this triple, the double triple, and I get so much fun.
Hey, look who it is.
What up, Gab? Hey, Gab. I got the outside. Outside, and then I just boost this thing, and then I hit that triple. I
Or is that there?
That was there.
No, that was there.
I counted it
You look good. We wanted to touch base a little bit on why we hadn't been riding. You know, we needed a break after Loretta's. Financially, emotionally, physically, whole family was wiped out. We had a blast. We can't thank everybody enough who was part of helping us get there. You know, it took a lot, and it was very stressful, just the logistics of it, you know, and we're thankful for the people that stand behind us. And so yeah, Lukey had a little bit of a hand injury, so we just took the time off to just recuperate as a family and spend some time together. And you know, Lukey picked up skateboarding, which he really enjoys, and I love to skateboard too. So you know, just spending a lot of time with the family, and you know, saving money. And his hand feels amazing, so you'll be seeing us back on the bike and back on YouTube. So if you could just like, share, subscribe, and you know, we're gonna be doing a lot better videos and putting a lot of time into them, you know, and just for you guys, you know, we want to give you guys some good content, and we appreciate, you know, you guys following him and supporting him. And it's really neat, you know, it's really neat that we get to do what we get to do. So we thank you guys for always standing behind us. And if you could like, share, subscribe, and tell your buddies, you know, go follow Luke.